Hello, I'm Tanya Vardhan. I'm investment banking intern at Insec Solutions. So today's video presentation topic is that how we can do financial modeling for business valuation. So for doing financial modeling for business valuation, we calculate and find out the financial performance of the company, and on the basis of that, we estimate its value. Now the steps of doing it are as follows. First of all, we try to do historical financial analysis. Under this, we gather historical financial statements of the company, on the basis of which we find out about the past performance of the company. Then we project its financial performance of the future. So here we particularly project three financial statements of the company, which are balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Then there are a lot of techniques or methods that we can use for evaluation of the company. For example, discounted cash flow analysis. Under this analysis, we try to calculate the present value of future cash flows of the company. We can even use comparative company analysis, under which we compare the financial performance of the target company with any other companies within the same industry. We can even do comparative transaction analysis. Under this, we look for any mergers or acquisitions in the industry. This actually helps us in getting insight on how similar companies are valued in the market. We can do asset valuation. So here we calculate the net asset of the company by simply subtracting the liabilities from the market value of its assets. So all these are some of the methods that we can use for valuation of the company. Once we have used that, we go for finding out our exact conclusions and weighing them. So what we do here is that we assign some weights to each of the method that we have used for valuation of the company, and on the basis of that, we calculate the final estimated value of the company. At the end, it's all about just presenting our information and making a report out of it, so that it's very easy to understand for the investors, and we just have to try to make our financial model and valuation very up to date according to the new information available in the market. So that's how we can do financial modeling for business valuation. Thank you.